Hello, welcome to the Blue Shack. I'm Joe, and today I'm going to be working on another ring. It's a beautiful spring day here in Sutherland, Oregon, even though it's still winter, but I'll take it. I've already got grade 2 titanium chucked up and ready to go. The serial number of this one is T200028. First thing I need to do is to bore this to size, and this ring is going to be a size 8. Let's get at it. The next thing I need to do is clean up the face. It's got flaws from where I cut off the last ring. The face is now cleaned up. It's time for me to change tools and work on the outside of the ring, getting that dimension down really thin. I now have the ring dimensions to the size I want, with the wall of the ring is 1 millimeter thick at this point. Now I'm going to give the inside edge just a slight bevel for comfort. Then I'm going to do a little bit of filing and sanding before I go on to the next step. Starting to look like a ring. I've got it all sanded, well, mostly sanded. Next I'm going to hit it with some polish, mostly for the inside, and then I'm going to do some work, some texturing work on the outside. At that shine. Next I'm going to add a little pattern to it, a little textured pattern to it, using a knurler. In this case I'm just going to use one roller and give it kind of a striped appearance. Time's come for my favorite part of ring making, and that's to make it a ring by parting it off. All right, there's a ring. Now to get it all finished up, polished, and I need to rework some of the facing on it. And so the next thing I need to do, get rid of this chuck, put on a ring mandrel. Before I start filing and sanding and giving its final shaping, I need to bevel this inside edge. Time for some filing, sanding, and polishing. take it off the mandrel and polish the inside. There it is. I think it turned out pretty good, if I do say so myself. This is ring T200028 from the Blue Shack. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll see y'all next time.